The definition of family violence is both remedial and protective, and the definition should therefore be widely read. So that His Honours clarified that violent behaviour or threatening behaviour are standalone behaviours that fall within the definition of family violence. Such behaviours may coerce or control or cause fear, but it is not essential. It was not necessary to prove the alleged perpetrator had intended the behaviour to be coercive or controlling, and that does not mean that the intention is irrelevant, but it's not dispositive. So that's really important. It provided this case and His Honours, their Honours, decision provides a really important outline as to how a trial judge may forensically examine relevant evidence concerning allegations of coercive or controlling behaviour. They must identify the behaviour about which the complaint is made, identify the full context of the behaviour, including explanations provided by the alleged perpetrator, identify the impact of that behaviour on the alleged victim, make all relevant factual findings, and explain why the alleged behaviour is or is not family violence that coerces or controls the family member. And if it doesn't, if it does not entail a course or pattern of conduct, explain how the behaviour can nevertheless be characterised as that which coerces or controls. Remember, there's a difference between coercive and controlling behaviour, or behaviour that may coerce or control, amounting to family violence. So, and if that's the case, why